If you're setting up your Photoshop projects from scratch every time, you're wasting time. Let me show you how to automate that. This is what most people do. Creating documents, importing assets, setting up folders, guides. It doesn't take that long, but it adds up every single time. The key is, most of this never actually changes. So instead of rebuilding it, you build it once. These are the things I use every time. A base layout, safe zones, structure, and placeholders. So I've baked all of that into a reusable setup. Now instead of doing all of that, it's done in seconds. Now I never start from zero. Every project starts ready. And because it's flexible, I can reuse the same system across different formats. Thumbnails, banners, vertical, it's all built in. Build it once, reuse it every time. That's the goal.